Welcome to today's Nike by You MetCon 8 unboxing. Nike have a great program by which you can customize your own pair of Nike MetCon 8s. I've only seen these designs online so far, so I'm super excited about opening them with you. So let's get on with that unboxing. Let's get these open and get a reaction. We're going to get these out. Now the colorways for these were actually designed on our channel. So metabolic conditioning, we're a blue, a yellow, and a bit of white. Super excited about this. So let's see how they've come out. Oh, that is, yeah, really chuffed with that. Really like that. So we've gone for the yellow, the royal blue, and then the white, but with the marble base there. Something you can only, a type of spec you can only get with the By You range online. A new feature for the 8s is bringing this iconography back, and then if we put these two together, you start to get a sense of what we've done here. Hope you enjoyed that. Love to hear your reaction. What do you make of these? What colorways would you choose? Are you going to shop the By You, or are you going to shop for the traditional models? You can grab any of the standard colorways of MetCons with 10% off at Wit Fitness, so do check out the first link in the video description to put this together with an outfit. Take a look, let us know what you think. From this to this, paired with Wit t-shirt. Don't forget, if you're looking to get your hands on a pair, Wit Fitness, you can buy them with 10% off right now.